right, good morning, everybody. Today's Tuesday, August 16th, and we're doing an early morning scan here to see what we have set up so far. Tell you what I'm looking at. Hold on. Sorry about that, getting some feedback. Okay, so what we're gonna be looking at this morning is we're gonna be looking at continuing to watch RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. We're going to be continuing to watch the NQ over here, which is going to be the mini NASDAQ. GC for gold, NG for natural gas. Currencies, Euro US and the US yen. Stocks, continuing to watch Tesla, but we're adding in 3 additional stocks. AMGN, REGN, and GILD. All right. These particular stocks, AMGN, REGN, and GILD, have high correlations. If you've been watching me for a while, you know one of the things I like to look at is I like to look at market correlations. All right, these 3 have positive correlations, meaning that if one goes up, the other 2 typically will go up. I use that as a confirmation before taking a trade. I do have AMG right now setting up for a buy, so let me go ahead and let's get that. Let's look at AMG. All right, AMG I'm showing as a buy right now. Right now we're sitting at 251, so that's gonna put us up to, I'm gonna go with a profit target of, let's see here, okay, that's going to put us up a target of 252, 251.60, 251.60. It's going to be a 50-cent move, 251.60. And if I need to get out, I'm going to get out down here at 250.10. 250.10. Okay, profit target is 251.60. Okay, so briefly what I'm doing here, I'm going to be demonstrating a couple of my strategies with these indices, the mini Russell, and also on the mini Nasdaq, and on the commodities, gold and natural gas, and also on the stocks. I'm going to be using something we call Einstein. Einstein is a mathematical formula in combination with several patterns that will provide me with an exact entry, profit target, and or reversal. Historically, the targets are hit 72% of the time before a reversal. And so basically, if I don't hit my target, then what I'll do is reverse. It will calculate a new target in the opposite direction. And then on the currencies, I'm going to be using something that we call it's really sold in our silver package, but it's our core patterns. It's a total of 5 different patterns that I look at. These trades are a little bit different in the sense that they're more time sensitive, so I don't hold a position more than 4 to 5 minutes. And so I'll be using that with the Euro US and the US yen. Right now I don't see anything setting up yet in the currencies. Only thing I have on right now is a buy on this AMGN. I don't use any indicators. Mine is a set of what I call behavioral patterns and price action. And this is a lot easier way to trade. Don't have to get involved with all the fundamentals, particularly with stocks. You don't have to be concerned with earnings and and all that. It's a much easier way of trading than what most people are used to, all right? It's very simplified. It's an easy process to learn. Your learning curve is a lot shorter when it comes to learning how to trade. I am very short-term trader. We do have these patterns that will work longer term, if that's your desire. We do put those out every night, so we do have overnight trades. You put them on, you just let them go the following day. I am getting a short right now on natural gas, getting a short on natural gas. Okay, let's get a target on natural gas. Okay, right now, natural gas is short right here at 21.45. That's going to put me down to 21.95. 21.95 is going to be my profit target. If I don't hit profit target, I will reverse up here at 93.45. If we do reverse at 93.45, it's going to set us up with what we call an HF1. Real strong pattern. So anyhow, 93.45 is where my reversal will come in. All right, short natural gas, 91.95 is my target. We're sitting at 90, looks like 9.9260. Possible buy coming up on this year. We're going to watch it. If we get these double carrots, these green carrots, I do like these doubles. That would set us up for a nice little buy on the euro. Going to keep an eye on that. Possible short coming up on the yen. If we hold here, but got to hold out for another 3 or 4 minutes. I want to confirm, then we'll jump in on that. Just taking a look at crude oil. Crude oil is also in a short right now. You don't see it on the screen here, but I do show crude oil coming down as well. Let's see what that's going to do here. Natural gas is still short. So if you're watching us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining us this morning. As always, this first hour is free as a demonstration of the techniques that I use. They are, I'd say, unconventional. I don't use any of your indicators most people are familiar with. I don't use traditional chart patterns like head and shoulders and breakouts. I'm not using Fibonacci or Gann or any of that. All right, getting closer to target on natural gas, which is going to be 91.95, still short. Nothing on the indices right now. Watching RTY. Nothing on RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Nothing on the mini Nasdaq and Q. No setups on gold. Short natural gas. Looking for AMGN to come up. 251.60. 251.64. All right, nothing on Euro, nothing on the US yen yet. Looks like we may get a lower opening this morning on the Dow. We have another 15 minutes before the opening bell. That's correct. I will be out of town Thursday. There will not be a live stream Thursday morning. There will not be a live stream on Friday morning. I will be out of town. And there won't be a live stream Monday morning. We'll resume next Tuesday. Thank you, Glenn, for reminding me of that. So yeah, but we'll be here today. We'll be here again tomorrow. Actually, Thursday morning, I can do a live stream Thursday morning. So we'll be here Thursday morning. We won't, okay, so we won't do a live stream on Friday and Monday. I can do Thursday, so I will be here Thursday as well. So just Friday and Monday, no live stream. But the live chat rooms will be open for subscribers. All right, so everything just got kind of quiet in here, so I think we're waiting to see what this opening bell's gonna do here. All right, so we should see a lot of volatility tomorrow in the market. We've got, let's see, got retail sales coming out tomorrow. It's going to be early. It's going to be at 8:30, then at 2 o'clock. FOMC, always a big mover in the market. So definitely going to see a lot of volatility. Had building permits, housing starts come out this morning. All right. Got a little activity this morning. Now it's kind of quieting down in here. So let's see what the Dow wants to do. Looks like it's going to have a lower opening this morning. right, still pretty quiet here. About another 7 minutes to go before the opening bell. Still short natural gas, 91.95. Looking for AMGN. Come out to 251.60. Not seeing anything yet on R2Y, or which is the mini Russell, nor the mini Nasdaq, which is NQ. Nothing on gold. Gold looks like it wants to work lower. Looks like Tesla wants to come up a little bit here, but nothing there yet on Tesla. Nothing on REGN, GILD, nothing. Looking at CL here, crude oil. Looks like crude probably wants to come down to 88.65, 88.65. See if that pulls that natural gas down. All right, natural gas starting to work its way down here. Target's going to be 91.95. All right, crude just hit 88.65. Still on AMGN. Nothing on Tesla, nothing on REGN, nothing on GILD. All right, less than a minute to go before the opening bell, so we're going to get a lower opening on the Dow. Could trigger a short on our mini Russell RTY. So we're going to watch that over here. Could get a short on our NQ, which is our mini NASDAQ. Profit target hit. All right, we just hit target. What did we just hit target in? Okay, we're getting a short on RTY. We are getting a short on RTY. AMGN just hit its target on the upside. I'm getting a short on our RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. Still short natural gas out of AMGN. Hit target on the upside. Get a target on RTY. Target on RTY on the downside is going to bring me down to 2009 is going to be my profit target. 2009. And if we don't, and I need to reverse, I'm going to reverse up here at 2024. 2024. Yeah, Dow's up 32. Pretty quiet. Still short natural gas, looking for a target at 91.95. Short RTY. Looking for a target 2009. All right, so AMGN, like I said, AMGN, REGN, GILD, highly correlated. GILD, 77% correlation with AMGN. REGN, 72% correlation with AMGN. Pretty nice correlations, meaning that they would anticipate them all moving higher at the same time. If they do reverse, probably see them all reverse at the same time or close to the same time. Anyway, we did have the trade on AMGN. Out of that, already hit target. Don't see any other setups. Continue to hold short on our mini Russell, which is RTY. So short natural gas. Gas getting closer to target. Crude already hit its lower point, so that's probably going to put some pressure on this natural gas come down and hit its target. Good morning, John H. How's things going for you? AMG's on a run. It's going to pull, should also see REGN move up. Also GILD, both on a run. Still short RT1.
Target hit.
Okay, we just hit target on natural gas, so we did hit our profit target on natural gas. Good, John. Dow's up 30. Still pretty quiet for the Dow on an opening, so it's pretty quiet opening. Up 31, up 32. I like to add on these pullbacks on RTY. I like when they pull back like that. Lowers my risk on that second trade. Much larger target, profit target. So that's a good point to add up here at this pullback on RTY, which is your mini Russell. Okay, the only thing in play right now is that short RTY, which is your mini Russell. Not seeing anything for the stocks down here. Not getting really anything on the currencies yet. So, yen's kind of going sideways. So adding the RTY now puts me net green on RTY. Still short. One thing I really like about Einstein is that when I hit my entry point, a lot of times it is going to pull back. So if I'm selling, I can sell a little bit higher price or buy at a lower price depending on which way it's going. And so if we have a pretty good pullback, I like to add to my positions because that lowers my risk on the risk side. Of course, profit targets then start to get much larger. So I do like to add on those pullbacks. All right, still short RTY. Maybe now we're going to come down and hit our target. You're getting a short. Well, no, not yet. Possible pullback on NQ, which is going to be your mini NASDAQ. I could see mini NASDAQ coming down to, let's see here. It could pull back down to the 135.82 and a half. 135.82 and a half. Let's see. Thank you, John. I appreciate that, buddy. You want to share with us how you've done over the last week or so? You don't have to. Just kind of get an idea where you're at. I know you use Crystal Ball. I know you use Einstein. I know you use Core. Yeah, you're saying the yen should pull back? Yeah, I could possibly see a little pullback on the yen. Not much right now. We're kind of in that zone right now where it's just going to be kind of undecided. So I really don't want to take any trades here on the yen yet. Not getting anything yet on the gold this morning. Had a short coming into last night, and it hit late last night, so we had a nice little short on the gold. That was a carryover from yesterday. Besides that, nothing on gold. Dow's up 27, just really quiet. Wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back more. So the only overnight trade that I have, where we do have trades we put on the night before, and we just let them go ahead and expire or get out the following day. I'm coming in short the USD CHF, which is your US Swiss. Coming in short on that. Right now it is against me. Looking for it to possibly close before 94.60. 94.60 would put me for a win for the day, but we're going to carry that here till about 2 p.m. Eastern time. So we're just going to hold on to that short. That's the only trade I have on overnight. All right, still really quiet. Dow is not doing anything. It's up 25. Just kind of dead. Still short RTY. Waiting to see if this mini NASDAQ is going to pull back down here to 135.82 and a half. All right, so my expectation on AMGN is that it is going to close higher for the day. It means it's going to close above its opening. So that's why I've been watching AMGN, but I also keep an eye on these correlated stocks, REGN and GILD. Just super quiet across the board here. Pretty unusual to be this quiet in the morning. Dow's only up 19, 20. Still short, just hanging in here on our mini Russell. Looking for a mini NASDAQ to have a pullback down to this yellow line here. Possible buy coming up on the yen. Let's see here if it holds. We get these double carrots. Do like those trades. That would put us into a buy on the yen for just a very short-term trade. So my patterns, I use them mainly for short-term trading. You can use them for longer-term trading if you like. They do work in different time frames. But for my style, I do like short-term trading because it gives me multiple opportunities throughout the day to hit a projected goal. I think it's important to come in with some sort of goal of what you want to make for the day. And nice thing about when you're short-term trading is, particularly with these patterns, it gives me multiple opportunities to hit that goal. Whereas if you're trading overnight, putting trades on overnight, you know, it could be days before you hit a goal. So depending on your style and what you want to do in the market, if you want to do this full time, I think it's almost absolutely essential that you become a short-term trader. Unless you have, you know, millions of dollars and you can put trades on and hold them for several weeks or swing trade, but that's usually not the case for most people. So most of your traders that do this for a living are always going to be very short-term traders, and most only trade an hour or two a day. All right, so we just hit target on RTY, so that nice little trade here. So see how that paid off to go ahead and add on that pullback. So out of RTY. That's got to pull this mini NASDAQ down here to target. Looks like we're getting a pullback on AMG. Don't want to take it yet, though. Also getting a pullback on Tesla. Now, I can see Tesla coming back down here to 928.80. So we'll see if Tesla comes down to 928.80. Could see AMGN coming back down to 252.60, 252.60. All right, Tesla just hit its pullback target down here, so I'll go ahead and remove that. Could say this, we have this double buy on this yen down here. That buy would come in at 55, 134.55. Right now it's at 56. $134.55. Like I said, I love these double carrots. Whenever you have two carrots, red or green, together like this, I do like those trades. Got one on AMG, but I'd wait for a pullback here on AMG. Trade a little bit differently with stocks. All right. Still waiting to see if this mini NASDAQ's going to hit its pullback target. AMGN did hit its pullback target of 252.60. The other way you could trade this, if you're a short seller, you could go ahead and you can sell in these pullbacks. I'm not real excited about selling stocks. Prefer to buy them, but you can. I mean, if you're a short seller, you can certainly play the short side. All right, let's see on the mini Russell though. Indices are different. I will trade indices both ways. Nice little trade on the yen with that double red, double green carrot. So we're out of the U.S. yen. Good. Hey, John. I just read your comment. Good job, buddy. Well done. That's the way to do it. You're on your way. Good job. Dow's up 66. We still have this price gap down in here on the Dow. I could see the Dow coming down to at least 328.77, 328.77. There's a gap that was left back on the 8th, I'm sorry, on the 9th of this month. And prices typically will come down and fill up those price gaps. So I'm expecting to pull back, come down and fill up that gap. All right, so we're almost here at the top of the hour. Those on YouTube, Facebook, thank you for joining us this morning. Please make sure that you subscribe. That does help out my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like my videos so I know to continue on with this free morning show. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell for any new videos that we put out during the week. If you have questions, you can go to our website, innovativetradingstrategies.com, or you can go to our YouTube channel. And there's plenty of educational material out there. I talk a little bit more about my trading philosophy and what I'm using in the morning. And I do, like I said, I do use something we call Einstein, and we also use something that we call our core main, which are basically our foundation patterns. And so I'll leave you with waiting on a pullback on mini NASDAQ. Gonna see if this mini NASDAQ is gonna pull back down here. I would expect a pullback once again down to that 135.82.5 on the mini NASDAQ. And that's going to be a wrap for today. We'll be back again tomorrow first thing in the morning. Once again, first hour is absolutely free. Then we continue on in our live chat room for the next several hours. So everybody have a good trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow.